Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm going to be showing you this amazing king oyster mushroom, actually no, baby king oyster mushroom with some sliced beef, and we're going to basically stir fry this with an amazing sauce that I have created that's Asian authentic, and you can basically serve this with rice, and it's amazing for like a dinner entree or something, okay? But also be sure to drop a like and subscribe so I can make more awesome cooking videos for you guys in the future. So let's go.
Alright guys, so let's start off with 2 cloves of garlic. Just go ahead and peel them and rough them pretty finely, just like so. After so, we're gonna get 8 baby king oyster mushrooms, but if your local supermarket doesn't have that, use portobello or regular king oyster mushroom. Alright, so with these mushrooms, I'm just gonna slice them up around a 1/4 inch a slice. We're gonna get 3 slices per mushroom, but if you use the regular king oyster mushroom, then go ahead and just slice them into circular dishes, 1/4 inch as well. Alright, and now I got some scallions, and we're just gonna go ahead and chop them up. This will be for the garnish later on. I'm using 1 stalk of scallion. Mine are homegrown, and look at all of our ingredients. Now let's look at our beef. Alright, so here's our beef. I got 15 slices of fatty beef that you would usually find at a hot pot place, but if you don't have this at your local supermarket, go ahead and use some New York strip steak cut really thinly that you can do at home. And here we got our pan, and put it at medium-high heat, and we're gonna heat up around 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Let this heat up really hotly, or else the beef will stick to the pan. Once it is hot, just add it in, and make sure you stir it around frequently. And once there is no more pink spots on the pan, we're gonna go ahead, remove it, put it in the bowl that we had, and we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our mushroom after this. Alright, now our beef is done. We're putting it in our bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and add more grease to it. So here I got the sacha or the Chinese barbecue sauce, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of that oil. This is so amazing. I can't express how much I love that. And we're gonna go ahead and add in our mushroom, and we're gonna let it stir fry for around 30 seconds on the heat at high heat. Then add in our garlic. Just stir it around. Let this cook for 30 seconds. Look how amazing it looks. Adding in a little bit more. And now we're going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of the Chinese cooking wine. This will help create an amazing flavor, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. Add in about 2 tablespoons of water. Close the lid, and we're gonna let this steam for around 1 to 2 minutes. And once it looks like this, we're gonna go ahead and start adding in our other sauce. So here I got a teaspoon of the barbecue sauce, the sacha, and we're gonna add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce right in, and we're also gonna add in a teaspoon of sugar, evenly distributed, and go ahead and give it a quick stir. And then I'm gonna add in about 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. You don't want to add too much, or else it will be really pungent and it will destroy the dish. So be careful with this. Now I'm just gonna add in the cooked beef. Don't make the mistake and add in the juices at the bottom. It is disgusting. So we're just gonna reheat it and make sure everything is nice and coated, just like so. About 30 seconds is ideal. After that, we got our plate, and we're gonna start plating it. So go ahead and just evenly distribute it on the plate. Make it look nice. And we're gonna go ahead and garnish it with some sesame seeds and scallions that we cut up earlier. And look how pretty this dish is. This is one of my favorite go-to dishes when I have nothing else to make. So boom, look at that. Now I'll see you at the taste test. Alright guys, here we go. The beef and oyster mushroom dish. This is honestly an amazing recipe. Here we go. Honestly, like 7 out of 10. Like the beef here. This is amazing. Mix this with a little bit of rice, and there you got yourself a full dinner. But I ate before this video, so delicious. Restaurant quality right here. Under the price of $5 for this dish as well. This is under $5. The amount of meat we used, around $3, okay, if you get like a family pack. The oyster mushroom, so cheap. $1.70 a pack, so probably like 60 cents. And then condiments, all adds up under $5. All this grease is probably from the beef, so don't eat it. Scallion, homegrown, amazing. Well, that's it. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Goodbye.